Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutsell speaking. In this video, we are going to examine icon number 4, Insert Image, for the Google Slide Deck series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on Insert Image, the following options appear. The first option is to upload images from a computer. If I was working on a traditional PC or Mac, I could upload images saved locally on those devices into my presentation. The next option is searching from the web. When I click on this option, a menu to the right appears where I can search for images and then insert them from this selection. The next option is searching Google Drive. When I click on this option, the menu to the right appears, and I can search my Google Drive for images that I would like to add to my presentation. I also have the option to insert images using Google Photos. Like the other previous options, a menu to the right appears, and photos can be added into the presentation. I can also add in an image by the URL or web address. When I click on this option, it makes the following menu appear. I can then paste the link to the image and then click Insert in order to add it to my presentation. Please remember, whenever adding in images from the web, that they are able to be reproduced or that you are properly giving credit where credit is due. The last option is to take a picture with the camera embedded in your device. When I click on this option, it defaults for me to the camera already being ready because I already allowed my camera to have access to this particular web application. Normally, you would see whatever your webcam is pointing at, and from there, you could click on the camera button and then insert the image that you take. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.